What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a web analytics tool that helps you track and analyze the performance of your website or app. It provides a wide array of data and reports on website traffic and visitor behavior, accessible to anyone with a Google account. Google Analytics offers both free and paid versions. What is Google Analytics used for? Google Analytics tracks a wide range of data about your website and its visitors. This data includes how users arrive on your website, how users interact with your website content, the characteristics of your website's audience, how many of your website visitors convert, and much more. You can use the reports within Google Analytics to evaluate the performance of your marketing campaigns, determine how your pages are performing and how to optimize them, decide who to target with your content and marketing, track conversions and purchases. Who can benefit from Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a powerful tool for companies with an online presence that want to track their marketing campaigns. It is particularly beneficial for tracking SEO, pay-per-click PPC, and other digital marketing efforts. With Google Analytics, you can gain valuable insights into your audience, understand visitor behavior on your site, and identify traffic patterns. The platform allows for quick data access and analysis through its data sampling feature. Whether you choose the free or paid version, provides fantastic insights into Google Analytics. How customers interact with your website. To get started, simply set up Google Analytics and begin leveraging the data to improve your marketing strategies. Google Analytics work? How does? The main purpose of Google Analytics is to track your website usage. To do this, you need to add a snippet of JavaScript code to your website's pages. When a user visits a page with this code, it uses a JavaScript file to start tracking data and send it to Google Analytics. Once Google Analytics collects enough data from your site, the data will populate the reports within Georgia, providing you with valuable insights into your website's performance.